everybody, it's Hedgehog here. Today, this is our landing for Chicago.
Yep, again, Illinois. Yep, so I'm doing the light, guys.
Alright, here's me. That's it.
So here's door being like, hello. You get in charge. Okay. Alright, here's me. Hi.
Okay, we gotta be careful with the reflection, you guys, so let's see.
Okay, can I take out the charger?
Okay, yeah.
I need the charger. Oh.
Uh-oh.
You guys putting together?
Yes.
I don't know, you guys can fall.
Alright, here we go.
Hello. Hey, why there's three of me?
I don't know. That seems so weird.
I can't even see anything.
Yeah.
So odd, huh? It's very odd indeed.
Uh-oh. This video might be very short, you guys. Oh my.
That seems too far. I can't see a thing.
You may get dizzy so easily.
Maybe. Yeah, I think you'll get dizzy easily, Monroe. I'm sorry. Yeah, it seems terrible. Yeah.
Oh wow. Come on.
Oh no. Oh.
Can you see?
I can. But there's three of me. Look at that.
I know, it's so weird. Why is there not three of me?
I don't know. Maybe because you're a screen and that's how you get reflections like that.
Yeah, maybe the bright screen.
Oh. Okay. Don't understand why there's three of me, but just have to try and be far away.
I can still see three of you.
I can still see three of you. Oh man. Yeah, I'm sorry, Monroe. Look, when you fall down, like lie down, there's like two of you, but when you go up, it's three.
Oh wow, that seems so odd. Yeah. Unfortunately, we can't see the landing because it's night. Here's the buildings down there. Oh no. I know, this isn't going to be easy to see, guys.
Is this a video?
I hope it is a video. Oh.
Alright, here we go.
Yeah. There's so much clouds. Yeah. So when we arrive, we're immediately gonna stop, okay?
Okay, alright. I understand, mate. I might be in thumbnail again because there's a lot of me.
Yeah,
Yeah, there's too many of you! Yeah, but there's, of course, it's just one of me, not three of me.
yeah, that's so weird.
Okay. Now let's focus on the lander.
Anything? Do we land?
Not yet.
No, not yet. This one is not easy, guys.
Try to stay away, but I can still see three of me.
Then move on the other side. Can you see him now?
No. Nope. I don't understand. Why is there rainbow colors of you, kind of? There's like green and yellow with blue in it when there's reflection.
Yeah, that's so weird.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so odd. But look at regular Monroe. Regular me? Yeah. This could have been Hyper Monroe. And I know there's Hypersonic. That actually does exist.
Yes, but why Hyper Monroe?
Because he looks rainbow in the reflection. It doesn't mean that.
Yeah.
There could be potential Super Monroe. What? Okay, focus, because we're landing.
Yeah, we're landing.
You can't even see a thing. It's just me. Three of me.
Yeah, this is annoying. Unless you turn off your cell, that'd be much better. Yeah. Alright, it's full of clouds, you guys, once again. Uh-oh. Okay.
Alright, so we still can't see Monroe. Alright, here we go. Oh, that's better.
Yeah. Alright, so what do we do? We're not landing yet. We're not landing yet. Okay, so since Monroe has to face away, I'll go in here and you can see me in right now. It looks like we're gonna land.
I face the other way.
Monroe, what are you doing? Face the other way. So we won't see him again. Wow! Oh my goodness, so cloudy.
Yeah. Look at that, guys.
Yeah. Oh, not again.
Yeah. Oh no. Dizziness. Maybe dizziness isn't bad for nighttime for me.
Really?
Yeah, because I can't see it.
Oh, that's what happened. Yeah, but unless the plane tilts, you probably would still be dizzy.
Yeah, even that, yeah. But if you look while the plane tilts, then you're gonna be dizzy. Oh.
Yeah.
Yep. So far, we have not landed yet.
Not yet. No, not yet. So after this, we're going to be uploading. Well, obviously, this probably would be uploaded anyway when the takeoff video for Illinois, really Chicago, to DC. However, with the flight delays, we aren't sure. Yeah. All right, here it is, the city.
Oh, let me see.
Oh, and they're going to look up again? This is bad.
Uh-oh. No.
Hold still.
Try.
Uh-oh. Wow.
Oh my goodness. Whoa! Oh wow.
Here's the city, guys.
Alright guys, here it is. Look at that. Whoa! That's amazing. Yeah. Okay, look at that, guys.
Yeah. It's annoying. Monroe, turn away. Okay, there we go. Alright, we're about to land.
Okay, we're about to land. Lane, everybody! Yeah. There's everyone before we land.
Yeah.
There's the others.
See? Yeah.
Alright.
We're about to land, you guys.
Okay. Party shirts up? I can't really see me. Okay. Now can you see? Yeah. Okay, here's me.
Alright, ready, guys? Yeah, ready.
Here we go.
Let's do this.
Oh, uh-oh! Oh, no, I don't want to be dizzy.
Yeah, try your best, Monroe. We're about to land. Alright, here we go. Right. I'm gonna count. You're gonna count? It's gonna be too late.
Yeah. Alright, here we go. Let's do this.
Yeah. We're gonna land. Yep. Alright. Here we go. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Oh, sorry! Oh! Oh! Alright. Turn on. Oh! Sonic fell! Sonic fell, guys. Oh. Hold on! Oh! I fell! Oh my god! Yes. Alright, we have landed, guys.
Yeah, that was disastrous, guys. We're gonna end now.
Yeah. Alright, thanks for watching then.
Alright, guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Bye, guys, and yet, see you in the takeoff video for Illinois to DC, guys.
Okay, bye! Bye.
Bye.
Yeah. Bye, guys. Can't really see.
Alright, we're here. Help y'all out.
Alright, bye, buddy.
Bye.
Bye. Buddy.
Bye.
Bye.
Alright, bye, and see you in the takeoff video for Illinois to DC.
Alright, bye.
Bye. Bye. Bye. Not again.
Cell phone is with the
Please don't do it. Fine, okay.
Bye. See you in Illinois to DC.